Here's a 2015 GMC Sierra 3500 Heavy Duty. Its never say never attitude yields a heavy-duty truck that is the very essence of professional-grade confidence. You can tackle any job with its V8 engine, Allison 1000 6-speed transmission, trailer hitch receiver, and trailer brake controller. The roll-formed box bed is stronger, lighter, and durable, and it also includes 4 standard upper tie-downs to help secure your payload.
Feel the confidence as you control the road with 4-wheel drive. The heated steering wheel gives you another layer of comfort on those cold days. Hindsight is 20/20 with a backup camera.
The Sierra 3500 is the perfect companion for getting the job done. Drive it home today.
Call, click, or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 15700 Idaho Center Boulevard in Nampa, Idaho. Just 15 minutes from downtown Boise in the Idaho Center Auto Mall.